Morning everyone. We will continue our discussion on rural development schemes in India. So first we have Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana. This Yojana was launched on 25th December 2000 by Ministry of Rural Development. Initially it was 100% centrally sponsored scheme, but after the recommendation of 14th Finance Commission report, the expenditure is now to be shared by center and state at the ratio of 60-40. The main aim of this scheme was to provide road connectivity to the rural areas whose population is more than 500%, and in hilly area it is 250%. Nearly 82% of road have been built till December 2017, which have successfully connected several rural areas to the cities. Remaining 47,000 habitations will also get connected by all weather roads by March 2019. Now we have training to rural youth for self-employment. This scheme was launched on 15 August 1979 by Ministry of Rural Development. The scheme aims to provide training to rural youth for self-employment, and it is the centrally sponsored scheme. The main target of this scheme was to provide technical and business expertise to rural people living below poverty line in age group of 18 to 35 years. Later on, this program was merged with Swan Jayanti Gram Swarojgar Yojana on April 1, 1999. Then we have Antyodaya Anna Yojana. The former Prime Minister of India, late Atal Bihari Vajpayee, launched this scheme on 25th December 2000. The main objective of this scheme was to provide food grains to around 2 crores below poverty line families at a very subsidized rate. Under this scheme, a total of 35 kgs of food grains are provided to a family. Rice is provided at the rate of 3 rupees per kg, and wheat at the rate of 2 rupees per kg. Next we have Village Grain Bank Scheme. The Department of Food and Public Distribution implemented this scheme. The objective of this scheme was to provide protection against the starvation during the period of natural calamity or during lean season when households do not have sufficient resources to purchase ration. Under this scheme, needy people will be able to borrow food grains from village grain bank and return it when they have abundant food. Aam Aadmi Bima Yojana. This scheme was launched by Government of India on October 2, 2017, and the Ministry of Labor and Employment. It is a social security scheme for rural household. Under this scheme, one member of family is covered with a premium of 200 rupees per person per annum, which is shared by state and central government. Also, the insured person need not pay any premium if he or she if his or her age is between years to 18 years to 59 years. Then we have National Rural Health Mission. The scheme was launched on 12th April 2005. The main aim of this mission was to initiate the National Rural Health Mission was initiated under Rural Health Mission is a central government mission which aims to provide accessible, affordable and accountable quality health services even to the poorest household of rural area. It is important to note that accredited social health activist scheme is also operational under this scheme. It runs by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan. This has been operational since 2000 and 2001. The main aim of this abhiyan is to make free and compulsory education to children between the age group of 6 to 14 years, a fundamental right under right to education related to 86th Amendment to Constitution of India. This program was pioneered by former Prime Minister late Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Currently, its expenditure is shared by the center and state. Provision of urban amenities in rural areas. It is a strategy for rural development in India proposed by former President APJ Abdul Kalam in his book called Target 3 billion. Provision for urban amenities in rural area focuses on providing urban infrastructure and services in rural area, as this scheme will prevent migration of people from rural area to urban areas. The central government have been running this program in various states since 2004. Then we have Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana or Indira Awas Yojana. It was started in 2000 starting from 2015 to 2020. The agenda is to provide housing to all by 2020. Indira Awas Yojana, revamped as Pradhan Mantri Gram Awas Yojana in 2016, is a welfare program created by Indian government to provide housing to rural people in India. The goal of this scheme is to provide a home to all the citizens till 2022. The cost of constructing the house will be shared by center and state. The scheme has been implemented in rural area throughout India except in Delhi and Chandigarh. Houses developed under this scheme will have basic amenities such as toilet, electricity connection, drinking water connection, LPG connection, etc. The allotted house will be jointly under the name of husband and wife. So that's all for today. We will discuss more rural development schemes in upcoming videos. Thank you.